Hello friends, this is Anila. Today let me introduce you this A1-solar supplement smart shower panel because it has a heater inside built in. So let's open it. Touch screen control electricity here and also open on and here temperature I press one touch and then you can adjust here. And also here you can adjust the P5 is 9.3 kW, and also we can have a look of the water fluid. Here, this is a water mixer we are using here, so close it and open this side, and then hand shower. This is hands-free side, and we can use this hand shower here, and also turn it on a little bit. We can see here larger flowing, and also here the temperature is lifting to 41 quickly. Yeah, warm. And here, let's have a look. Let's have a look of the top. Yeah. Free fall. Also, have a look of the side. Yes, you can hear the voice if it's done just on the condition. Okay, let's turn off. Now also here, turn off. So this is using the heater in machine. And if you want to use the solar water heater, the hot water you need from here, this is cold water you need. This is hot water you need. And we can also use and here we can first turn off here. This is off, and also off at the side. Remember here, very important. And then just use this water mixer. Okay, here to side. Yes. And mix water. This is hot, the cold, and also adjust the volume a little bit. Okay, then let's close it. And also here, make sure it's off. And put it back. This is the using of solar water heaters, hot water, very easy. So that's all.